Now today I am going to explain differential equations. This topic belongs to calculus. Now first of all, define differential equations. What is differential equations? An equations which involves unknown functions and their derivatives with respect to one or more independent variable is called differential equations. Here we observe that x and y are variables where y is dependent variables and x is independent variables. In this equations it is not clear this equation is which types of functions. It is algebraic functions, trigonometrical function, which types of function it is. That's why it is a differential equations. And now again we have another examples. Dy by dx is equal to sin x plus cos x. Here y is dependent and x is independent variable. Again it is not clear it is the examples of which types of functions, but it is equations. So 1, 2, 3 is the examples of differential equations. Now next one, ordinary differential equations. Now again first of all define it. What is ordinary differential equations? And equations which contain unknown functions or functions containing only one independent variables and derivative with respect to that independent variable is called ordinary differential equations. That means here y is dependent variable and x is independent variables, and only one independent variable is x here. So it is examples of ordinary differential equations. Now again we have examples of first order ordinary differential equations. It can be represented by f x comma y comma dy by dx is equal to 0, where f is in the forms of x y dy by dx. It is examples of first order ordinary differential equations. Now second order ordinary differential equations, x y dy by dx d square y by dx square. It is examples of second order ordinary differential equations. Similarly, when order is n, then ordinary differential equation is x by y1 y2 dot 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 up to yn equal to 0. It is examples of n order ordinary differential equations. Now next order of differential equations. What is order of differential equations? We define it. An order of differential equations. The order of a differential equation is the order of the highest order derivative appear in the equations. Now here we explain it by the definitions. Now highest order of derivative is d square y by dx square. Now order of this derivative is 2 and order of this derivative is 1. So order of this differential equation is 2. Now here order it is equal to 2. Now second examples, dq y upon dx cube plus d square y upon dx square whole cube plus dy by dx plus 4y equal to sin x. Here highest order derivative dqy upon dx cube, that's why here order is 3. So now order of the differential equation is a positive integers. Now order not required to be a negative, otherwise it is undefined, so order should be positive.